Welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're taking a closer look at some of the interior and exterior features in our 2019 Ford Explorer. This Explorer is featured in the limited trim and is a white paint finish. It includes features such as heated and vented front row seats, a heated steering wheel, heated second row outboard bench seating, a powered liftgate, blind spot monitors, heated power folding outside mirrors, as well as parallel park assist and front and rear park assist. Starting off in the front of our vehicle, we have our chrome door handle, driver seat memory, as well as our power locks. Below, all of the controls for our power folding mirror, as well as our power windows. Some storage in the bottom of the door, as well as our large Sony speaker. Down the side of the passenger or driver's seat, we can see that we have all of our power control. You can also see the seat finished in our black leather and heated and vented. Just to the left of our steering wheel is our lighting controls. And below it are powered liftgate controls. Getting into the vehicle and looking above our steering wheel, we have our odometer with digital information systems on the left and right hand side. Moving down to the left hand side of the steering wheel, we have our controls for our left driver information system, as well as our adaptive cruise controls. The right hand side, on the top, we have our controls for the right side of our driver information system, as well as all of our hands-free. Moving to the middle, we can see our Sony audio system. If we hit our sources in the top, we can see we have AM, FM audio, as well as Sirius XM and Bluetooth stereo. We also can have our climate controls through here. We can see our heated steering wheel in the top left. We also have phone connection, our navigation, as well as additional apps and our settings screen. Below it, we have the controls for our backup camera, our parallel park assist, as well as our parking sensor. Then we have our hazard lights, sound settings, as well as our mute buttons. Down the side, we have all of the controls for our AC, and also down the passenger side. We can also see our passenger heated and vented seats, as well as our driver heated and vented seats. Across the bottom, we have our temp controls, fan controls, and passenger temp controls, as well as our climate on and off. At the bottom, we have our storage system, which we can open by hitting our button. Inside, we have a 12-volt plug, as well as a USB and some storage. Then just behind that, we have our two cup holders. You can also see our key. On the top, we have our power locks and unlocks, remote starter, powered liftgate, and alarm systems. Then we have our terrain select switch, our center console. As we can see, we have deep storage. On the front is a USB plug. Moving to our passenger seat, we can see it's the same black leather that was featured on the driver's seat, and that's featured throughout the vehicle. And they are heated and vented in the front of the vehicle. Moving above our rear view mirror, we have our two lights, as well as a sunglass holder. And on the overhead swinging of our driver's side, we have our universal garage door opener. Now walking down the side of the vehicle, moving down to our tires and wheels, we can see that we have a 20-inch alloy rim with a Ford center cap in blue. Moving up, we have a paint match finish, as well as black accents on our outside mirrors, as well as our paint match keyless entry door handles. Just to the right of the driver's side door, we can see that we have a hidden keypad entry. Moving to the back of our vehicle. At the back, we can see we have our Ford badging, as well as our Explorer and Limited badging. Dual exhausts on the bottom. Just below our Explorer badging, we have our backup camera. Opening it up with a press of a button at the bottom, you can see that we have a powered liftgate. In the back of the vehicle, we have two folding third row seats to make 7 passengers total. On the left-hand side, we can see that we have all of our power folding for both our right-hand and left-hand rear seats, as well as a 12-volt plug. A bit of storage in the bottom when our seats are folded up. And then on the left-hand side, we have our button to close our liftgate. Moving into the rear of the Explorer, we have our door handle above our powered window control, as well as storage and our Sony speaker. Moving into the vehicle, in the front driver's seat, we have a storage compartment, and same with the passenger seat. Between the two seats, we have all of our controls for our rear climate, as well as our heated outboard second row seating, 2 USBs on the left and a 110 volt on the passenger side. Below it, we have 2 cup holders. Moving to the seats themselves, we can see we have a second row bench seat, all finished in black leather. In the middle of our bench seat, we have 2 more foldable cup holders. Down the side of the seat, we can fold it down with the pull up. We can see all the rest of our controls on our sticker on the back of the seat. Moving to the third row seating, we have a 50-50 folding split. It's also a power fold through the rear of the vehicle. On either side, we have a cup holder, some storage, and some storage up top. And we can make additional space with the folding third row seating if we need, as well as our folding second row seating. Thank you for joining me for this quick video walk around of the 2019 Ford Explorer. If you enjoyed, please be sure to subscribe for more daily videos, and we hope to see you at Wolfe Chevrolet soon.